how to introduce yourself in French language. That's what you will be able to do at the end of this video. So just keep watching and I'll take you after the generic. Hello guys, you're welcome in this new video of Learn French by Chanel. My name is Chanel Taling, and by the means of this YouTube channel, I help you to improve your level in French language. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can introduce yourself to someone in French language. Before we start, if you're new on this YouTube channel, you have to subscribe now if you don't want to miss the next video that I will publish soon. Generally, when you want to introduce someone or when you want to introduce yourself to somebody, you will give him your personal information like your name, your age, your profession. That's what we will do today, but in French. Let's start by the name. In English, when you want to give your name to somebody, you will say, my name is Chanel. That's my own name, Chanel. In French, we will say, mon nom est Chanel. Mon nom est Chanel. Or we can also say, je m'appelle Chanel. Je m'appelle Chanel. Yeah, that's how you can say your name to somebody. When you say mon nom est or je m'appelle, you can complete the dash by giving your first name and your last name too, or just your first name. Choice is yours. Let's continue with the age. How can you express your age in French? In English, we use the verb to be. We say I am 22 years old. I am 22 years old. If it's in French, you will say j'ai 22 ans. J'ai 22 ans. You will not say je suis 22 ans. No. In French, we use the verb to have. We say j'ai to give your age, and after you put the word un. It's the equivalent of yes. Now, let's continue with the nationality. In English, if I want to express my nationality, I will say I am Cameroonian. I am Cameroonian. Or I am from Cameroon. Or I am from Cameroon. In French, we will say je suis Cameroonais. That's my nationality. I am Cameroonian. So I say Camerounais. French. Je suis Camerounais. Another expression you can use to express your nationality is je suis de. You complete the dash by your own nationality. In my case, I will say je suis du Cameroun. Je suis du Cameroun. Now, we can continue with the country of residence. Where you are living. How can you express the place where you are living now? In English, we will say, I am living in, or I live in, I am currently living in, dash, 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 complete with dash, dash, dash by your own country of residence. In French, we will say, je vis à, or je vis actuellement à. And you complete the dash, dash, dash by your own country of residence or your own city of residence. In my case, I will say, je vis au Cameroun. Je vis au Cameroun. Somebody can say, je vis à London. Je vis à London. And we can replace the expression je vis à by j'habite à. J'habite à. They mean the same thing. Now, let's express the profession. The profession. If we are talking in English, we will say, I am, dash, dash, dash. We will replace it by the profession. For example, somebody can say, I am doctor. I am nursery. I am professor. In French, you will say, je suis, dash, dash, dash. You can replace the dash, dash, dash by your own profession. In my case, I will say, je suis professeur de français. I am French teacher. Je suis professeur de français. And in French, we can also use the expression je travaille dans. Je travaille dans. Dash, dash, dash. We complete the dash, dash, dash by the domain of activity in which we are working. Someone can say, je travaille dans la maçonnerie. Je travaille dans la maçonnerie. Me, I will say, je travaille dans l'enseignement because I am a teacher. Je travaille dans l'enseignement. Now we are finished with the general information someone can say, can tell to somebody that he just met. So we have to practice now. Tell me, how can you introduce yourself to someone that you met by the channel of social network like Facebook? How can you introduce yourself to him? I allow you 20 seconds. You have to give all informations about you. Okay, time is there. So let me recapitulate my own presentation. I will say, je m'appelle Chanel Tallin. My name is Chanel Tallin. Je suis Camerounais. I am from Cameroon. J'ai 22 ans. I am 22 years old. Je vis actuellement au Cameroun. I live in Cameroon. Et je suis professeur de français. I am French teacher. That's how someone can introduce himself in French. We are at the end of this video and I hope you have appreciated. Tell me in comment if so. And I'll be happy to read your question about this topic. Before go, if you're new on this YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe. Then you will receive notifications about my next videos. See you.